Hey mamas and daddies, parents are often concerned when our baby was newly born, baby's lips were pink. But what is happening now? Why our baby's lips are turning darker? In this video, I am going to share scientifically why it happens. Do we need to be worried about it? What you can do to turn baby's lips pink again? I am considering your child is absolutely healthy. His or her lips are not dark due to any health complication. Generally, lips are darker for few reasons. Number 1. If you keep your baby in sunlight for longer time, only 10-minute mild sunlight exposure is enough for production of vitamin D. Don't keep your baby in sunlight for long time. Number 2. When small blood vessels shrink in response to cold. This is very common in infants after a few days of birth. In older babies when they go outside in cold weather or get out from warm bath. This type of lip discoloration should go away when baby is warm up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video. It makes me super happy. Number 3. Breastfeed. Breast milk is considered safe and healthy for baby's skin, and it creates no issue when left on baby's lip. However, this is possible for milk residue to cause discoloration, to make baby's lips darker. When breast milk particles build up on baby's inner and outer lips, it leads to darkening their lips. Internet is full of illogical information. You will see someone is saying wipe off your baby's lips with red clothes or use milk or malai to avoid discoloration, and there is no scientific evidence for these advice. Simply because baby is on breastfeed for first 6 months, lips are dark. Slowly after 6 months, baby will start semi-solid and reduce the amount of breast milk. And then after 1 year, mostly baby will eat solid and baby's lips will automatically turn pink. What you can do to turn baby's lips pink? Every time after breastfeed, clean baby's lips with washed wet cotton cloth, so there is no milk particles build up and baby's lips can stay pink. If your baby is 3 months plus, as advised by doctor, give iron supplement regularly to your baby. And if your baby is 6 months plus, add spinach, carrot, lentil, broccoli, papaya, apple, dates, etc. in baby's diet. If baby's hemoglobin is good, baby's palms, soles, cheeks will automatically turn pink. As a result, lips will automatically turn pink. Mamas and daddies, if your baby's lips are not dark due to any health issue, don't worry. This dark lip time is temporary. It will go away. Baby's lips will definitely turn pink. Just wait and watch. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you very soon with next very useful video. Lot of love to parents and their babies.